Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about Facebook's new utility that allows you to remove those pesky third-party apps that may be spying on your Facebook habits. It's true that Facebook scans your cookies and gets all of your information, but those third-party apps that you allow to get in with Facebook can also take your data too. And the bad thing about it is third-party apps aren't really controlled by Facebook. They're controlled by the developers of those apps. And a lot of times those third-party apps are designed to get your information in order to build a profile about you so that they can sell that information to advertisers. You may not realize that when you select to log in with Facebook or log in with Google, you're actually installing a third-party app that will and can spy on you and what you do on Facebook. So we're going to switch screens like we always do, take a look at how to disable those third-party apps, and that way you can get back to using Facebook without being spied on. All right, we're at my Facebook account, and I like showing that logo because I fix technology. Now on to our mission at hand. How do we use Facebook's new utility in order to get rid of third-party apps? It's pretty simple. Just go to the little menu here and get to settings. And you can do this on any desktop computer and any smart device. Just a simple matter of going to settings in Facebook. Once you're in settings, you just need to go down to apps. Once you're under apps, you'll see all the apps that are logged in with Facebook, and a lot of you will be surprised all of the apps that you have automatically logged on with Facebook. Now Facebook allows you to logged in with Facebook, and a lot of you will be surprised that's pretty all funny. Of the apps that you go back. All right. So anyway, back to our mission at hand. Here we are on Facebook and looking at all the apps that are installed with my account. And as you can see, and it shows me at the top, there's 142 apps that are logged on with Facebook. So that's kind of a good thing to know, that I've got quite a few apps logged in with Facebook. And I'm sure you're asking, how do you get these apps installed with Facebook? Well, it's pretty simple. When you choose to play a game on Facebook, like Candy Crush or Bejeweled, would want to interact with Facebook. When you try to use Facebook to log on with into a specific website, it'll take all your Facebook credentials and allow you to go on. To give you a visual example, let me go back to the desktop here and let's see if I can pull that up. So let's go to Google and type in log in with Facebook. So we do that, and there's Facebook logins, but let's go to images and let's see if we can get the image up there. So this would be a good example. So if you go to a website and you see this option here where it says log in with Facebook or sign in with Google+, when you're going into that, it essentially lets you log in with your Facebook credentials. One of the best examples of that would be Canva, which is an app that I use. So let's check it out. So with Canva, you can log in with your email, which is probably the safe thing to do. You can sign in with Facebook and you can sign in with Google. So let's go to Canva real quick, which is an app that I use on a regular basis. So let's sign out. So let's sign out of Canva and then let's log in. So when I log in with Canva, here we are. I can log in with Facebook, I can log in with Google, or I can put my username or password in. So if you see this option coming up on your screen, log in with Facebook, you're essentially telling Canva to log in with Facebook and it installs an app. After a few seconds by clicking on that, I'm in Canva. But if we go back to Facebook and look at our apps, somewhere there is a Canva app installed. Let's go. So let's type in Canva, if I could spell Canva right. And there's Canva. So after a few seconds, Canva pops up because, like I said, I logged in with Facebook, or logged into Canva using Facebook, and as you can see, it has installed an app. And a lot of you probably aren't aware of that, but when you log on Facebook, it puts an app on your computer. Let's look at the app and see what it's doing. So according to Canva, this is the information that it's going to get. It gets my email address, can check my post, it gets my public profile, which is required, and it checks out all my photos too. So there's several things that I can do with the Canva app. If I want to continue to log in with Facebook with Canva, I leave it alone. If I want to delete it, I can click on it and hit remove. If I hit remove, then Canva is going to allow me to remove all of my information, and Facebook helps facilitate that. So the easiest way to go through is, if you don't recognize any of the apps installed on Facebook, you can now, with the new utility, click on each app, and we'll just choose some here that I have no idea. And I will have to say, most of these apps are probably installed from tech tips that I've done in the past. It just makes it a lot simpler to utilize that feature. So going back, you can go through with the new Facebook utility, go and choose what apps you want to remove. You can click on remove, and it will automatically remove those apps after you verify that you want to remove the apps and websites. The other thing that you can do to make sure that these apps aren't spying on you, you can go in and let's go down and go to edit apps, websites, and games. Well, that's not what I wanted to go into. You can go into each individual app, like CamCard, and you can tell the app visibility that you only want it for you. You don't want to share your friends list, and you don't want to share your email address. So a nice simple utility that allows you to disable the ability of the third-party apps of spying on your Facebook information. So I would highly recommend that you go to settings and apps from any device. Let's get back to our home page, and again, just go to settings and then go to apps, and then review all of the apps that are installed with Facebook. And I would know most of you would be surprised how many of those you have installed. So check it out. If you have comments or questions about this tech tip, leave them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you to find out what tech tips you would like me to cover in future videos. And if you've got questions about the Facebook third-party apps, leave them in the comment section. You can also watch more videos like this one at our YouTube channel. You can subscribe to Integral on YouTube, or Burton Kelso, me, the technology expert. Tons of videos there that are designed to help you get more from the technology you use. And be sure to follow us on social media. We're all on all the social media platforms, sharing tech tips and tricks and cybersecurity alerts designed to help you get the most out of your digital life. So as always, folks, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.